Understanding the phrase, bearing the torch. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, bearing the torch. This expression has rich historical roots and is widely used in both formal and informal contexts. Stay tuned to discover how you can incorporate this phrase into your everyday English. Bearing the torch is a phrase that originally comes from the ancient tradition of carrying a literal torch to provide light or lead the way. In modern English, however, it is used metaphorically to represent carrying on a cause, tradition, or idea that someone else has started. It signifies leadership, guidance, and the continuation of important values or missions. The concept of carrying a torch dates back to ancient times when torches were used for illumination and to symbolize enlightenment and guidance. In the context of the Olympics, for instance, the torch relay represents peace, unity, and the enduring spirit of competition. Drawing from such historical and cultural significance, the phrase, bearing the torch, embodies the idea of carrying forward a legacy or cause with dedication and honor. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversations and writing. She is bearing the torch of her family's tradition, ensuring that their cultural practices are preserved for future generations. After the founder retired, his successor bore the torch, leading the company towards new innovations. In advocating for environmental protection, we are bearing the torch passed down by the activists before us. These examples illustrate the versatility of the phrase in various contexts, from personal responsibilities to broader social and environmental causes. In today's world, bearing the torch resonates as a powerful metaphor for leadership and responsibility. It speaks to the importance of not only continuing what others have started but also inspiring and guiding others along the way. Whether it's in the realm of family traditions, business, social justice, or any other area, bearing the torch is about making a positive impact and leaving a lasting legacy. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and significance of the phrase, bearing the torch, for you. It's a beautiful expression that encapsulates the idea of continuity, leadership, and dedication to a cause. Next time you hear or use this phrase, you'll understand the depth and responsibility it conveys. Thank you for watching, and remember, every one of us has the potential to bear the torch in our own lives, contributing to a brighter future for all. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language lessons. See you in our next video.